Hello, friends. Today I'm going to speak on the topic of consumer courts. Consumer courts have changed with the incoming of new Consumer Protection Act 2019. So, what has changed now? First and foremost, the pecuniary jurisdiction for district commission now. Earlier, it used to be district court, district forum. Now it has come to 1 crore, and for state commission, it has come to 1 crore to 10 crores, and above 10 crores it will go to National Commission in Delhi. Coming to the location of consumer courts here in Tri-City, Chandigarh Sector 19 is the one where the consumer courts and state commission are situated. From Punjab, it is Sector 37, Chandigarh, next to Law Bhavan. And if I talk about Haryana, it's in Sector 2, the State Commission of Haryana. Consumer courts are again going to entertain complaints on the maintainability part. There, the jurisdiction is decided on the value of receipts or money paid in consideration. Previously, what was the practice is the amount of the goods that you have transacted will decide, plus the relief that you can claim from the court. So these things usually would enlarge the scope of maintainability when pecuniary jurisdiction are concerned. Now, after the new act, it will be entirely based on the receipts amount that you have paid. I'll give you an example. Let's say you have taken a life insurance policy of 2 crores, and the premium paid by you is around 10 lakhs. So, what do you think? Where will this jurisdiction lie? It will lie to district commission, since the new act speaks out. Section 48 is the relevant one, that the amount of receipts that you have in hand, that you have transacted, will decide the jurisdiction. So this thing can be kept in mind. Further, moving to the limitation part, which remains the same, it has to be filed within 2 years if you are willing to take legal and file your case in consumer courts. The fee slab has been drastically changed. Now, if you see, for 5 lakh up to 5 lakh of claim, there is nil fees. Then 5 to 10 lakhs, there is 200. 10 to 20 lakhs, 400. 20 to 50 lakhs, it's 1000. 50 lakhs to 1 crore, then 2000. Now, moving to state commission. If you are claiming around 1 to 2 crores, 2500, and gradually the cost is on the higher side if you start increasing the pecuniary amount of the claim that you are asking the court to pay you. Now, the next new section which has been added is pre-deposit, that your appeals are not going to be entertained unless you deposit 50% of the pre-deposit amount. So that's a good thing for the consumers of this country, which will be taken care by the courts, that orders are not going to be easily challenged before the another level. So this will definitely push the respondents, the OPs, the companies to obey and to follow the rules and the orders of the court with sincere efforts. And if I talk about real estate transactions, we already have RERA in place. Now, if you wish to pursue your claims before RERA or consumer court, you have to choose only one out of them. It can be either RERA or either consumer forum. You can't pursue on the same cause of action before 2 multiple forums. That's a straight rule. So it will be only one court at a time. That's there. Now, procedure is same. You need to supply 3 sets for the bench and additional sets as per the number of respondents, with along the annexures and the complaint need to be prepared in a set format, submitted to the authority, and the case is going to get listed for the bench. And usually happens like it takes around 6 months to 1 year on maximum side for the case to get decided. It may be sooner than that, but usually on an average, as per my small little experience. So this is the trend, and I'm hopeful with this new act things will change also. Thanks for watching. Bye.